Okay, you want to keep the cold out. There was a second part to that. You want to keep the cold out. Oh, okay, got it. You want to keep the cold out, and you also want to lower your energy bill. So I'm going to show you how to do that today on this episode of How Do I? So, okay, let me get the box. Okay, let me compose. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put, this is a window insulation kit, and you can get it in any, like a hardware store. You could probably even get it at like another kind of store. I don't know what kind of stores. But anyway, this is what it looks like. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the window blinds down. If you see up here, can you get up here? There's these little clippy guys. You just pull it up. Show this one. Can you see it okay?
Yeah.
And then you just pop it up. Now, oh wait, oh, I forgot. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the window blinds out. So you want to open the blinds. I'm having flashbacks to our very first video. All the way, so that they're all the way up. Then you're going to take these there's little clippy guys right here. You're going to lift them up. Lift them up. Okay. Lift it up. And now not every window blind works this way. I know that there's going to be some that are different, but so then you just slide this guy out of here, and there's your window blinds. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the box. That's pretty standard. but you know, and this package is made for a smaller window.
Yeah, so you want to measure your window. So you know what size to get.
Okay, let's go back. Okay, so the first thing, wait, let me stop so I can splice it good. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to measure your window to make sure you get the right size of the insulating film. So, how do you measure the window? Okay. Yeah, that was 65 or something. 23 and so anyway, you measure your window. If you don't know how to do it, have someone help you. Because I don't know how to do that part, really. Alexa did it before. Now we're ready to... What would you call it? Okay, now we're ready. Okay, so, it comes with tape. Okay, you're gonna open all of the plastic. You're gonna lay it all out. Cat, no. No. Can you get off, sister? Thank you. It's just long. No, cat. Please. I didn't mean to scare her, but her nails would ruin this.
Okay, she's coming back for one.
Come on over here. Come on. Over here, sister. That's a good girl. Yeah, you go get in your chair over there. Okay, well, she's gonna help. So the things that you're gonna need are a blow dryer and a pair of scissors and the tape measure. Can you just show the tape measure on the ladder? Let me read the directions real quick. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is do the cat. Why don't you go outside, cat, and have fun with your friends? So the first step is apply tape around edge of window to a clean, dry surface. So Alexa already went in here and she cleaned all this so that it's all ready to go. But you've got to clean. Let's wait till the cat's done using the cat box. Okay, yeah, this is working, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you just apply it. This is not going well. Ah. Oh no! I don't remember it being this hard last year. Probably because Ian was doing it. Like that. And then we're just gonna leave the tape up there for 10 minutes so that we can make sure that it's really good and stuck on. So we have to cut the plastic. I'm trying to act confident. We have to cut the plastic. Oh, the timer. Okay, tape set, like you measure your window. You measure your window. What were the measurements that I just came up with?
60 and 25.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you measure your window and it's like 60 by 25, you want to add 2 inches to that.
That is with the 2 inches added.
That is?
Yeah.
No, because I measured it. Oh, and then I added.
Yeah.
You measure your window and then you add 2 inches to the length and the width, because when you cut the plastic, you want to have a big overlap because it's going to shrink up when you use the hair dryer. Did I say 25?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to measure it again because I got to make sure. Like my grandpa always said, measure twice, cut once. He said it with that accent too.
He's from Arkansas.
Yeah, Arkansas. Oh, I see. When it's like open, it's longer. Oh, crud. Okay, so make sure, yeah, I'm just gonna cut it on this line. So, does it look cool when I cut it like that? All right, so that's the width of the window that we want. Now, we have to do the length. I didn't think it was gonna be so aggressive.
Have you never used a tape measure before?
Yeah, but just not by myself, I guess. And now we're gonna put it on the window. This is step 3 or 4 or 2, one or the other.
First, we gotta remove the tape.
Yep. Oh. I thought you meant remove the tape that I had sitting on the ladder. Okay, so before we put the plastic up, we've got to remove the covering on the tape. I'm just peeling this white part off. And when you pull that off, see that's sticky, the tape's stuck. And that just comes off like that. So that just comes off. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. There we go. Okay, let me talk to the people. So if you start to pull the plastic, the cover off, and the tape's peeling up, you can just press it back down and then try starting from the other side. So I messed up. There's one spot here where the tape came up, but I'm gonna fix it easily by just putting this here. That probably works, huh?
I'm just gonna wait 10 minutes.
Should we?
Probably.
This is gonna, oh my God, can you imagine these? Doing these windows? Can you imagine what it's gonna be like to do these big ones?
We've done it before. Twice.
Oh, yeah, but it seems so much easier before. So this is sat for 10 minutes, our little repair job. The tape came off, so we're good to go. Oh. You're so supportive. I love that about you. When you're putting the plastic up, don't put it at exactly the length of the plastic.
Why are you looking at me?
Oh.
I'm down here.
Okay, when you're
Over here.
Okay, we've only been doing this for 3 years, right? You go up, you make it to where it's higher than, or longer than the actual tape. I don't know how to explain things very well. This is hard, but it's not. Don't get discouraged. All right, so we're just gonna stick the plastic to the tape all the way down. That's okay. And don't worry about the wrinkles in the window because that's what the hairdryer is for. We're gonna get all the wrinkles out with a hairdryer. Oh, okay. It says don't pull this too tight because when you do the hairdryer, it needs to shrink to the window. So I may have done it too tight. The last step is we're gonna put the hairdryer on the highest setting on hot, and then we're gonna turn it on, and then we're gonna do this, and then that's gonna cause the plastic to shrink, which is gonna shrink it to the window to make it a good tight fit. So you don't want to get any closer than 1 inch away from the plastic or you will melt it. So don't do that. I'm so upset right now. Okay, well, don't do that. See what I just did? Now I'm going to have to figure, I'll patch it. It'll be fine. Okay, so normally you wouldn't have a hole in it. That's like the worst thing that you can do. This is like the only video we've ever done where we made a mistake. Really. I mean, other than the slime. Well, and the hard water deposit one didn't go super smoothly. I'm just going to put a piece of tape to fix this. This is not how you'd want to do it, but sometimes you just have to get creative. You know, in the do-it-yourself, the DIY realm, there's a lot of things that can go wrong, and don't get down on yourself. Don't get discouraged because there's always a way to fix stuff. Unless you like broke the window. Well, I mean, even then you could fix the window. You just have to call a window person. So it's not like the end of the world. So the last thing that we're going to do is we're just going to trim this excess plastic out of the way. How would I go about doing this? Am I messing it up? I am. There we go. That looks pretty cool. I could even set this part to music. Late in the day, my legs start not working very well.
It's like 1 o'clock. Late in the day.
Is it really only 1?
Yeah.
It's been a long day.
Wait, is it? I don't know.
How's my pose? Is this like a good wrap up pose?
No.
Look at my leg placement.
You can't see your leg placement.
Okay. All right. So you did it.
Did you though?
No, I made a mess of this, but hey. Once you get the plastic on, you're gonna feel so great. And then just think about this. I didn't even explain why we're doing this.
Don't do that.
Okay. Okay, so the reason that we're gonna put the plastic on the window is it creates a barrier so that the cold air can't get in, and that means that you have to turn your heater on less and it saves you money. Now we gotta do the wrap up. Did we already do the wrap up?
You fumbled your way through one.
Okay. Okay, so this is the window, and it's and it's insulated. Good job, everybody. Thank you for joining us. If you want more, if you want more of our videos, you can like and subscribe.
I'm gonna do a final zoom in on